Hello and good evening, everybody. How are you all doing? Hey, Bear. Hey, Fluffy. Fluffy, thanks for the 4 month. Oh, 4 months already. Damn. That's crazy. Four months subbed. Wow. Yeah. I'm shocked and happy at the same time. Okay, let's switch. Okay, is my my mic levels? Yeah, they are strange again. Okay, wait. Wait. Mm. You're getting old. Wow. Just because I don't have any hair? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Just because I lose all my hair now that I'm getting old? Wow. Okay, so test? No. Test. My stupid mic records on one side more than the other. Oh, I could do this. Hello? Now you should. Hey, Phil. So do you hear only one side of my mic now, or do you hear both sides? I'm perfectly centered now. Yeah, I basically just switched to mono. So if you're hearing it on both, then it's fine. It's fine, nice. Okay, then we'll keep it. And my hearing is excellent again. Yeah, I tried to balance it out. Because I wasn't thinking about switching to mono at all, and a friend of mine told me, why don't you just switch to mono? Your mic will work better if you stop calling it stupid. But if it's stupid, I'm just calling the things by its name. I mean, mic lives matter. You should start a movement. You should get this to trending on Twitter. This is mic harassment. It's not. It's absolutely not. The mic is stupid and it likes it that way. Mic harassment. Pfft. I was kind of scared. It was the new, but I think it's just regular cold. Oh. Only thing left is a sore throat. I mean, just sore throat is... It's not good, but it could be worse, right? Ask about when. Let me think about that. Same problem with some electric guitar software. I gotta switch to mono, otherwise I always think one of my ears isn't functioning anymore. Yeah, my ears are probably broken anyway from all the club going, so whatever. Okay, so what's the plan for today? Last time... Wait, am I inside of Tmax? No. Okay. Then let's Tmax. So last time with the data server, go run. I'm amazed how people can go to loud places like that and not get tinnitus. I'll probably get it somewhere in my life. So Control C, which obviously isn't good, but I listen to way too many loud, way too much loud music. I'll be mostly lurking, got 3 exams next week, plus assignments and stuff, and little time. Yeah, that's understandable. Thanks again for the sub, though. Why do you think so? Please take care of your ears. Yeah, I do now. I do now. So, I mean, I have no choice currently because there is nothing open. But I'm thinking about getting those noise suppression thingies for your ear. If I do return to the club. Okay, so I do have another session open. Yeah, go away. Huh? Data server? Yeah, data server. Hey bear. Okay, Tmax minus what exactly? Oh, and hi Spacefox. How are you changing the terminal so nicely? It's Tmax, yeah. How do I reconnect though? Tmax help. Isn't it something like S L for list? No. Tmax attached session. Okay. But there also is a Tmax list thing, right? Tmax. Come on. No. No, no. List sessions? That's too easy. That's something I almost could remember. So Tmax attach session no, it's 1. Tmax ls? Oh. Yeah, minus the dashes. Okay, so data server. Data server is basically what we did last time. Hey Rexroof, how's it going? So if you press your Tmax key and W, that's the view you get, and then you can switch between the windows you have. And right now I have the data server running. I already fixed a few things. Hey Exoticus. How are you all? I hope you had a great weekend. Okay, so the server's running. And I removed all the binaries I had before. And I think I made a pretty cool command line interface for this thing. Okay, let's use the binary directly. Target, debug, I think it's client, okay? So you basically do client, do the subcommand channel, because that's the only one you have right now. Then you put the channel. I'm hardliner, right? Then there's another subcommand. Currently that's a viewer. Weekend was chill, so I can't complain. How is everyone else doing? Yeah, my weekend was chill too. Then you pass in a viewer like Arctic Space Fox, right? And the first thing it does, it just queries the points. So in the backend, which is the same PC currently, there's a server running which communicates with Postgres database, and now I can say, okay, give me the points. I could also do get dash points, which would be exactly the same. Another thing I can do would be add points. And let's say I'll give him 20. And I get the response so that he has 20 points now. So Arctic Space Fox is now one of the richest viewers according to that database, because everyone else has nothing. You can also add negative points, which was a real pain to add. but it works now. So that's the main API I want to... I kept giving mine to Arctic. Yeah, I'm gonna absolutely remove that feature because you keep giving your points away, even though he bans me. Yeah, so that's the main API I want all the clients to use. So when I integrate the bot should basically only ever add points, and if someone spends points, we would add negative points, right? The get and the get points call is basically just for if you do exclamation mark points and you want to see how many points you have, that's what get points is for. And we also have a set points, that's just for completeness sake. Where you can just put in any number and it will set exactly that number, right? But the bot itself should basically be able to just use add points and get points. And set points is just if you, for instance, if something goes wrong and I need to set the points directly, that's basically what set points is for. Probably should remove it and do it in the database itself if something goes wrong, but whatever, convenience. Okay, and today I wanna source lib. I want to... What do I actually want to? That's the wrong button. Oh, wait. First of all, I want to remove the old code. Get points, source bin, set points. Git add, git commit. Combine all binaries into one. Yeah, we'll need to push that. Okay, so today I wanna create a library for the whole gRPC stuff. And I'm thinking about pulling it out completely into a separate library, not to a let's call it third-party library, and use that from the different services. That's the basic plan. And I'm not sure if that's possible the way I want it to. But let's see. So there is no cargo toml here. Tag a new communication? Do we call it communication? Or do we call it common? I think I'm gonna call it common for now. Get a little lip, please. Hey, Reed Rainer. How are you doing today? Data server. So source. No, not source. Rhoda. Into common And what else do we need? What else do we need? We do have the proto stuff. Okay, so we do need the build RS as well. The data server build RS to common. And then we just need to make our library code. So we'll cd common. Great, just messing about so far this evening. Okay, what are you messing around with? It went great. It went absolutely great. Or at least I think it went great. I absolutely liked it. So, but let's see. Edit. I don't know. The person who's responsible for that is on vacation today, holiday, not in house. So the earliest probably tomorrow, but let's see. Data server source bin. I also got asked if it's normal that that there's music running on Twitch streams, which is kind of a good question. So if you're coming from outside of Twitch, that's always the way they're keeping you on the edge. Yeah, that's true. But I don't think they do that to annoy me or something like that. So that's about it, right? Okay, let's close that. Yeah, that's like I said, that's a question that kind of got me thinking, because if you want to bring stuff to people outside of Twitch, maybe it's strange to have music running while programming. I don't know. So I don't need those. What's Prost used for? Oh yeah, run go, please. Thanks. It's a protocol buffers implementation. Okay, do I need that? Whatever. 3.cuc. Okay, now it should be possible to remove all of that. That's absolutely the wrong project. Is there not something you can run to clean up a Tomo? No, cargo clean. I know what you mean. Cargo unused dependencies. UDEPs. Cargo UDEPs. So cargo UDEPs. think I have it installed. Cargo Nightly. Maybe I don't have it installed. Okay, apparently I don't have it installed. What does locked do? Lock flag can be used to force cargo to use the package cargo log file if it's available. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's a good thing in this case. So let's just install that. I'm not quite sure why it needs to be nightly though. Whatever. I mean, it's probably used. You could just check the gRPC. Oh, Rust. I'm using Paro. Stream froze while Hardliner was staring at something and I didn't realize it. Yeah, that's strats. Yeah, so I'm basically using Paro. That's the thing the maintainer of Yay moved to. But for this install, that's just cargo. Okay, so that's something you should be able to do on Windows as well, for instance, or on Debian or whatever. As long as you have cargo installed, just cargo install -- locked. Don't want the complete guide. Was it the examples? No. Okay, so tonic build needs Prost, so it probably generates code for Prost. What are we cargo installing? UDEPs, cargo UDEPs, to see if something is unused. I mean, we know it's not because it's in the dependencies. Oh, it's taking so long. Should have opened another Tmux window.
Well, if you're wondering what's happened, so am I. The computer that we have running our news from time to time took off and went wild. So what we're going to do is start over from the top.
Okay. cargo plus nightly UDAPs. Let's see if it works. I also built a new feature into my bot. So now I can do, which doesn't actually work that well on Linux, so. But I can do $bear cool cow says Mua. And it basically aliases to the shoutout command.
If you're wondering what's happened, so am I.
Which I think is pretty neat. I should probably replace the $sign with either something configurable or something else, like I don't know, £sign or something like that. Because if I just do $ like that, it will send nothing because it actually tries to use the variable bear cool cows as Muma, which I sadly haven't defined on my system. So sorry, Bear. I hope you don't mind that I don't have the bear cool cows as Muma environment variable set on my machine, but I will absolutely do if you like me to. Okay, let's go back to the window. Wow. Okay, all devs are used. That's fine. Okay. So let's try to actually use it. Data server. Start with the cargo tomo. So Tonic and Pros can go. This can go. Do common, which is path equals to .common. Okay. Let's remove the build script. And in the client, so that's common database. No, that's common database server. So another question is, why does that not work? Resolved macro call. What? That's strange. So I'm still gonna get Tonic in. For now, so the Tonic stuff should actually work. Okay. That's database client, set points request, get points request, and Add points request. Oh, not cargo run. Cargo build bin client. What? Doesn't it publicly generate all the things? Okay, can I remove that? Get rid of one layer of indirection? No. That kind of doesn't make sense. Okay, it builds everything. Do I need to republish everything? Okay, let's get the database client back. Oh. Pubmod database server. Oh. It's database. Oops. Database client though. No. When did I copy that? Use all of those, please. Hey Togglebit, how are you doing? Are you feeling better? Slightly took another pill. Oh. I mean, at least it's slightly better. Right. Keep pressing the wrong W and F. Why do I keep confusing those two? Okay, so main. Database server, database server. Okay, the first is a crate and does that not work? It went great. At least I think it went great, right? Yeah, and other than that, I'm a bit tired, but that's fine. That's my normal. So yeah, I hope too. The faster, the better. Okay, let's build again. Okay, that works. That works. Why does that not work? Okay. We're getting closer, I think. No. Staged. Okay, let's try to include that like so. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe it's just not possible to do it that way. Okay. Oh, wait. That should just be database. And that should be database as well. Because I need to use the same thing for the server. Okay. Okay, Togglebit, what do you think about my insanely cool command line interface I built? Oh. Let's build. That's way too fast. Insanely cool what I'm trying to listen, but family noise, yeah, no problem. So I built a command line interface with struct up. And you can do something that reads like a DSL with subcommands. So I have my client, and I go into basically channel mode. Then I type the channel. Then I go into viewer and say, for instance, Togglebit. And Togglebit has 0 points. Let's do add points. 5, and Togglebit now has 5 points, and 10 points, and 15 points. And so the channel thing and the viewer thing. Oh no! I didn't wipe anything right now. The channel thing and the viewer thing are subcommands. The I am hardline and Togglebit are basically arguments. Then add points is a subcommand again. That's an argument again. And I think it reads pretty nice from left to right. Bear still giving away all the things. Yeah, and that crashed again. Crap. I don't know why all the Twitch stuff is always crashing, but whatever. Yeah, so that's basically struct opt, and you start. No, that's it's meant to fail. Yeah, in this case, it's not Twitch though, sadly. Yeah, so it's basically you just start with your option struct. There's an optional server for later on, if it's deployed to somewhere, so I can actually use it. There is no authentication right now because it's not needed. Zombie virus, man. Twimble virus. Yeah. And it basically only has one subcommand, which is channel, which takes the channel as a string, and has another command, which currently is viewer, which takes the viewer as string, which has another command, which is optional, which either takes one of those, add, set, or get points, or default to get points. Failed to load module out of stock is the real name for mechanical keyboard streams. It's true. Okay, so now the client is done. I need to do this thing as well. That's common. And whoops, what did I do? That's database. That's database. And that's database server. Okay. So that can go now. I'm gonna do stretch. I still have no stretching exercise I can actually do. Oh. I think I'm going to go eat like a jar of jalapenos or something. I mean, if that's the thing you like to do. If everything is burning, you can't feel the migraine plus aura, right? I don't know about that. I really do not know about that. I mean, if it helps, go for it. Still the same migraine as yesterday, Bear. Oh. Nah. This bad day. Oh, so it's worse? It's gotten worse? I had short-lived migraine headaches the last couple of days. Oh, that sucks. Migraines are one of the things I never had, and I have not really experience with, so I sadly can't help you with that. Those are probably sinus allergy triggers because trees with buds coming out. Oh, allergy season starts soon. Oh my god. No. Well, I'm gonna do a reverse bear. Not bear, cool cow, but wildlife bear. Gonna sleep the whole summer until all the pollen are gone, and then I'm gonna stream again. Sounds reasonable, right? I killed Vim again. Okay, let's defaults. Leader. Where is my quit Vim leader key? Yeah, let's not. Keep ring time, begin a tick. I should start ranking T2, actually. We had one with the read recently that if you soak your hands and feet in hot water, it helps. I luckily haven't had a migraine in a while, so I haven't tried it. It doesn't redrain and stuff like that works for people who don't actually have real things. Yeah, I can't speak for migraine. I can only speak for Crohn's. And some people will tell you that if you just eat, I don't know, if you go vegetarian or something like that, all goes away. And there might be people who, for which that's possible. But I think it's maybe the same with migraines. There might be a person where it helps, but there are probably a lot of persons where it doesn't. There's a crock of crab for most. Maybe a small amount have trigger allergy or something. Yeah, if it's if it stems from allergies, the best thing you can probably do is get away from the allergy triggers, right? But that's also not that easy. But you're more likely to have trigger allergies by becoming vegan, to be honest. Yeah, that's true. I mean I know for Crohn's that because your guts are all inflamed all the time, it's basically harder to ingest certain kinds of food. And yeah, vegetables are sometimes. It is specific to migraines, are true about Crohn's. Yeah, that's understandable. Okay, so let's get rid of my quit key so I don't quit out of Vim anymore. Gonna stay in Vim forever until I shut down my PC. And every time I need to get out, I'll just make another Tmax window probably. Big personal question, so no problem if I don't answer. Is there a surgical procedure that would help in your case? No, there is not. The problem with Crohn's is that it can, and that's probably too much information, it can go from the rectum up to the mouth. So that's the range we're talking about. And there are certain circumstances where you need or should get a surgical procedure. So when a certain part, the colon or a certain part of the intestinal tract gets too inflamed, sometimes it's better to just take it out. And a friend of mine actually did that and is almost symptom-free, but it's also not a guarantee, right? So it could be that they cut out part of your intestines and it just won't work, and you get inflamed on another part later on. So the answer is basically the same as in programming. It depends. And even if it helps, it's not a guarantee that it helps forever. Sadly. Cut it all out. Bro. Can't get IBS. Yeah, that's true. That's absolutely true. You won't live, but you won't have IBS anymore. Also, it's not IBS. It's absolutely not the same as IBS. It's kind of similar, but yeah, just a straight down shoot. No, like I like a living hardliner. I could just replace myself with an AI though. I get someone to do the programming and record a voice. Yeah, that's because I haven't made one. This human form is weak. Yeah, I'm gonna upload myself to the cloud. It won't have your personality. That's true. Hi, Hi, I am Hardliner. How can I help you today? What does he care? Okay, so what did I actually? Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Go here, recompile, hope that it works. Move that to the background. And run the client again. And Polybot still has 15 points. MG, he's beginning to suspect something. Should it done? I'll upload my mind to AWS. And I just need someone to finance it, because I think it won't work with the free tier if they still have it. And build a NVIM plugin where my mind helps you program when you're inside of NVIM. So kind of like Clippy, but with real advice. Give him the old trick solution when the clones become self-aware. Okay. Could it be that if I do Control C, that kills the connection somehow? Rick and Morty reference for the uninitiated. Well, Season 4 was kind of short though, right? Or was it just me? Do you mean... Okay, I can't quit anymore. Are you short? What did I miss? I am. Please staggered it. I have no idea what that means, but that's fine. They've all been 10. It got split. Oh. Oh, okay. Imagine a time when you could actually upload your brain to the cloud. How insulting would it be if your virtual brain ran just fine with the free tier? Yeah, I mean, kind of, right? Okay, let's Control C. It's foreground. Okay. Season 5. I mean, I have no problem waiting, right? I almost have no time to watch it, so... But you can't afford the CPU, so you could place the Roku brains. I mean, there are basically two ways of thinking about that. The one is either you have so little brain capacity that the lowest tier basically works, or that your brain is so efficient that the lowest tier basically works. So it can be either an insult or a compliment. That's probably scary. There was a TV show like that. The show was upload. Okay. Wait, let me just think for a second. Guess I'm taking brain with me when I go. Mine will burn. I'm not sure if I would have a problem with uploading my brain to the cloud. Right? Not sure I have one. I'm pretty sure all of my chat has brains. I would totes upload my brain. Yeah, I think it would be kind of fun, but I don't want to even start thinking about all the implications of that. Fixed my clock somehow, nice. Did you use percussive maintenance? And installed everything from the last week. There's an issue though, because if you can digitize it, you can copy it. Now you have way too big a topic. Back to good. I mean, just make your brain a non-fungible token, right? then it's uncopyable. Immutablebrain.com. Yeah, immutable is also bad because you can't learn anymore. It stands to reason if I can become digital, I should have instant access to all knowledge. I mean, you have instant access to most of the knowledge already, if you think about it. Shadowing. It's the AI thread from a non-AI brain. We have to learn. Yeah, that's true. That's absolutely true. But if you just digitize the brain, I'm not sure if you can Matrix style basically just upload the thing you want to learn. I'm not sure if that would be possible just with having the technology to digitize the brain. A digital brain could in theory know things now. That's true. I mean, another scenario could be to basically upload all brains into one big one and combine all thoughts, which could be kind of cool. So that once you're uploaded, you basically have had all the experiences of everyone inside, which I think might be pretty cool. It also would be pretty traumatizing. You could break yourself down into microservice frames, just do whatever. We became JavaScript. I'm my 2023, yeah. I/O operations are considered slow. Yeah, I/O, when it comes to brains, isn't I/O intelligence operations? That would explain why there are so many stupid people out there. Because the intelligence operations are too slow. It's also IOPS for intelligent operations per second. Microservice brain. You want to make T, but that particular service is on AWS. It will lost touch with it a decade ago. You are not dumb, Bear. You're absolutely not dumb. Why is... Come on. I'm not dumb, just very, very slow. When it comes to analyzing messages, if they should actually be auto-modded or not, you're way faster than me. So you could take that to mean that your reading comprehension is way faster. I just bigotry filter them. Yeah, makes sense. What do I actually want to do? Oh yeah. Data server, git ignore. Yeah, that's better. I have to reread them. It ain't going through. Yeah, I do try to read them though, because just the context sometimes that does it for me. Okay, let's automate food. I want to go do some gardening with my hoe. Another word for female dog is bitch. There is a place in the UK called Scunthorpe. Well, apparently I don't have an automod. I do. Oh, I do. The Oh, it's because you're a VIP. Yeah, it's because you're a VIP. The thing is, the things it shows in red, which it actually moderated, were mod, hoe, bitch, and female dog. So you can't say mod and female dog. If my stream the word dog in UK would be called by the automod, the rest would come through. Yeah, I'm a big proponent of context, so I think you should always know the context in which things are said. So if you come in and just go oh female dog bitch without any context, I would probably time you out for that. I let most folks. Yeah, that's the thing we talked about. Was it Saturday or Friday? I'm not sure. Because for me it's also pretty clear if someone just makes a harmless joke and it's really a harmless joke, I don't mind that. I don't care. Yeah, that's true. But if someone comes in and basically starts to say racist things or sexist things or I don't know, stuff like that, I will absolutely ban them. So I have one ban on record. The guy is basically a Super Mario troll, or a troll in the Super Mario community who has a few thousand accounts and just goes into chats and says vile shit. Really, really crazy stuff. And if I see him, I'm just gonna insta-ban him. That's... yeah. I think I've purged maybe 3 people and banned 2 one time. And cat banned the bot. Yeah, that's reasonable. Super Mario Troll eats a lot of mushrooms and messes soup to plumbing. He's IP hopping, which has a shadow ban system. I don't know how he does it, but the super... make sure you're reporting him at every chance. The thing is, the Super Mario community did this. There is a Twitch user voice thread about this, and Twitch representatives basically said they can't do anything because he probably uses VPN. So like I said, there are 1,000 accounts of him. There are also bots which basically just regex match on the username, and if they see a new one pop up, they will ban the new user in every chat that uses the bot. That's how bad it's gotten. So almost everyone in the community who had to deal with him basically says, okay, we're just gonna ban everyone with that name, and if we accidentally ban one who's wrongly banned, they will hopefully get to us, talk to us, we will unban them on a case-to-case basis, and then let's see. Yeah, VPN and IP hopping will get you around it. That's true. But otherwise, it just doesn't send you messages through, even though the person doing the system is going through. Okay, no, so I basically got the message. I definitely got the message. And it was something strangely sexual, or really, really strangely sexual. Oh, now I know what I wanted to do. So slip. I want to wrap that in a struct, basically. Eats Cheetos. Have fun with your Cheetos. So no jar of jalapenos? Mix some pretzels and Cheetos together. I'm not that big of a Cheetos fan. I don't know why, but they don't do it for me. Database client. Okay. Yeah. Just need some Reese's Pieces. You're good. What are Reese's Pieces? Isn't that some caramel stuff? That's the sweet. Oh, I have the hardest time to turn down. Reese's Cup. Yeah, I think that's caramel stuff, right? Peanut butter bits in chocolate shell. Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds insanely good, actually. Like M&M's, but peanut butter. Yeah, thing is, I actually shouldn't eat chocolate at all. So, oh, a chocolate shell, candy shell. I'm confused now, but that's fine. Let client. You will need an address. Client is database client. Isn't it connect? Data server source. Oh. Bin. So Chuck meant candy. I'm at the point where my brain is trying to type into this like dyslexic. Yeah, I know. I absolutely know that feeling. So database client. Oh, it's async as well. That's not nice. Hey, Temporus. How are you doing? Isn't it about time you put some nice Unicode curse in your gutter? Huh? My what? Gutter NVIM is what's left of the line numbers. Oh. I mean, I do not care. Actually. You have... Okay, I'm confused, Temporus. What? Oh, how am I? How am I? Yeah, basically tired a bit, but we care. Can I show pictures? Can I show icons? Real icons? NVIM gutter go icons. Yeah, I want to show real PNG or something. No. Nope, but you can use nerd fonts maybe. The thing is, if I could use real icons, I would talk to Arctic Space Fox and maybe try to design some cool icons we could use. You need some kind of Emacs for that? Yeah, no. Just switch to VS Code. No. No. Okay. So you're telling me I should just do this? Add animated GIFs in mine. Cool. Hey, sir. Rickroll error GIFs. Yeah, that would be cool though. Okay, so let's just theme. Put those here. Oh. I removed my quit key binding. You don't even need to do that. You could just change the warning error in the gutter. Who needs icons? We have extensions already. Okay, so let's reload. Up. I think that didn't work. Pretty sure that didn't work. You need supporting fonts. Wait. I know that. Should that matter? Oh. You need supporting fonts. Okay. Did set the encoding. Set Vim font to nerd font. Okay. Let's see if I've already set one. No. Do the init room as well. That's how I have the little ghost dude. I haven't even noticed. I'm really sorry. No. That's gonna be a pain. I don't have it on stream anymore. Okay. Okay, got it. So... let's quit out of Vim. Yup. Almost. So probably just need to install the font. Set through my CCs, and I gotta do it another way since my CC's gone. Your CC's gone? Did you switch to the normal client? Oh, the internal LSP? I trade my CC for NVIM LSP. Oh, how is it? Do you like it? Droid Sense Mono Nerd Font. Because I broke my CC and I could not fix my CC. Ooh. CC is not an initialism. Also, I think font size 11 is gonna be too small. Imagine saying CC instead of cock. What font are you using in your terminal? Yes. Don't set it to the camera. I have no idea. You asking me questions? Probably Firo code. So... config alacrity font I just set the size to 16. That's it. Yes, I'm using monospace. Patch Firo font. Ooh. Yeah, let's do it. Hey Ergo, how are you doing today? I should probably use it in the terminal then as well, right? Okay. Like a truck ran me over. Yeah, I hope it was a small truck. Okay, so... and how do I use that? To test if it works, go to... okay. Trying to figure out why it's yelling at me. Set the font name in Alacrity. Hover over it and click the word icon. Okay, wait. Where do I hover? Warning. Okay. Icon. Blue. Yeah, my chat doesn't care. Okay, so I should probably use it as well. No, it's Alacrity. Yeah, that's what I meant. So font normal probably, and family is gonna be what now? Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Fira Mono Nerd font. Oh. Okay. Not GC. FC list G Fira. That seems like the one I want. Come on, T-Max, can I? Oh, it already copied it? Does it automatically do that? No. Whatever. Think. Do we need the quotes? I'm not sure. I mean, it should work with quotes as well, right? Oh, it still doesn't show. You know what? Let's just... Yeah, I don't trust any of that. I'm a Windows user, I'm gonna restart. I wonder when Chris will finally find and fix all the rhetoric glitches in his terminal emulator. See? That's what restarting does. It fixes stuff. If in doubt, restart. So... let's go to Polybot again. Let's... Emacs. Okay. If in doubt, kill it and start it. Yeah, basically. Now you can pick any fancy icon from that site. I mean, do I not... I already have... Oh. Data server, cargo, run. Oh. Wrong button. Is a good one too. Yeah, it also shows up in the bot now. I don't know why, but it does. So common. I think it's lib that's broken. Yeah, okay. Just make sure you have no to emoji font for the 24-bit version. Wait. Init. Wasn't that something like Fira mono nerd font? Fira code nerd font mono. Yeah, whatever. So. Oh, what happened to my terminal? Make sure you gonna reopen that as well. That looked strange. So Fira, so that. That's the font you get if you have incorrect font settings in Alacrity. But I did have the I do have the right settings though. Write them off. Okay, here you have fun. I will be back later most likely. Yeah, if you're getting sick, make sure to get some rest though. Right? Only we need a healthy toggle bit. So let's see. Config Alacrity font. What font size am I using? 16. Can I just not specify the size? Looks at clock. 3 p.m. goes to sleep till tomorrow. Can I just not define that? Or do I set it just to the same thing? Let's set it to the same thing. Whatever. Still doesn't work though. But why? Throws things out of the window. Oh, everything is ugly now. Should we keep it that way? Things working. Okay. Result. Result of whatever. Just show me the type. Eat more pizza. More pizza is always a good idea. I'm streaming for another hour or so, and then I'll give the torch to someone else. I think I might need dinner and the wall to slam my head into. Yeah, don't do the wall slamming part. If you need help with something, you can just I broke earlier, I think. If you need help with something, just say it and we'll work it out together. Standard error. Making him do generics and traits instead of his. Ooh. Why, Bear? Why? Why are you doing this to him? That's not nice. So use database client. Vim? Well, he can now access a tag structured untagged enum at least. Huh? Okay. Wrong button. Okay. Oops, even trying to start women Twitch chat. Would be cool though. Would be cool if that just worked. I'm gonna take a string instead. Gets rid of that. Channel. What does channel mean? Where does channel come from? Database client. Oh no. Or is it tonic? No? Tonic client. NVIM source technically could work. Well, my bot is written in Rust, so no hacking that. It's safest language ever. Maybe I'll try to go rewrite the API to give me less annoying to work with data. That's gotta be faster and break it for everyone that's already implemented things against it. I mean, if okay, real talk, if the API sucks and the project isn't is rather new, I think it might make sense to change the API. But do tell your coworkers. Don't just change the government. Yeah. So let's see. Panic, Rust. Just have you tried turning it off and on again? Just turn off the government and reboot it. Channel. Transport. Let's try that. Use this thing. Channel. I can't push the prod without approval anyway. But that actually makes sense. I mean, I don't mind you pushing stuff, but there should be some kind of review process. Right, gonna get some pizza. So you get 5 minutes of peace to code. Yeah, get me a piece of pizza too. I would love a slice of pizza. Affects the over, nice. Okay, that can go now. That needs to be pub. Oh, when did the emoji stuff start to work? But that still doesn't work. What? Now I have poop symbols for every warning. And I have... Come on. Let's have a pre-hour review for a 5-minute emergency fix. Yeah, that's not what I meant though. Right. I do get that it's not always desirable. But we have no reviews at all at our work. And we have a big problem with dependencies, for instance. So if I think I need a dependency in our Node app, I can just add it and no one will complain, which is absolutely not how it should work. Because I theoretically could right now at work pull in a GPL dependency and screw the whole application that way. But I won't do that, so just yeeting to prod. Yup. So pub async probably function get points, which will take the channel. Do we need it as a string? Probably not. The viewer. That will return some kind of error. Okay, so data server source bin client. Let's see how we do here. Yeah, so we basically just generate the request and the request and send it. Okay. I can do that, I think. Okay, so it needs to be a string, right? So response dot points. That's a self. And I think the self needs to be mutable as well. No. You complaining? Oh. Expected struct data server client found I32. Oh. Okay. So let's get the requests going. use database. Get points request. Wait, I should just do all of them. Get points, add points, set points. So that needs to be a string. Needs to be a string. Let's rename that to streamer name and viewer name. You happy now? Okay. So get points is ready. Let's do set points, which will take the points as an I32 and will return nothing. Hey, set points, deleting braces, parentheses, not braces. Yeah, also don't care about the response. Add all. Let's show that we don't care about the response at all. And now we have set points done. Now for the last one, which is add points. I'm also thinking about adding what's it called, libp2p for service discovery on if it's running on a local machine, which might be cool. Now I should have all the methods in a enjoy your pizza. Okay, now I have all the methods. Let's quit out of there. CD data server. Needs to go now, and we have a data server client. Do we not? We do. Oh, it's outside. Okay, that actually makes sense. Use common data server client. Data server client sounds so stupid. But that's all not needed anymore. So data server client new wait. Here we'll do client dot set points channel viewer points dot wait. Okay, client add points channel viewer points let new points equal to ham and pineapple. No ham, pineapple, yes. I mean, I'm not a fan of pineapple pizza, but meh, whatever. If it's something you like. So viewer now has points on in channel or on channel. I think it's in channel. So viewer your points channel need some cloning. That's the wrong part. Aisha with the rate of 13. How are you doing? How was the stream? What did you do today? Your clone. Oh. Hey, can finally put a face to the name. Hey all, how you doing? New points. Now you can also see my ugly code. More Rust learning? Nice. Right, same. Yeah, so if you have any questions, even if it's not Rust specific, then feel free to ask. Don't worry, my ugly code makes it to stream too. I mean, I think ugly code makes it kind of better. So, successfully set points. Whatever. So, if you're wondering what I'm working on, this is basically my new bot, and I'm preparing to add. Wait, can you not give points to people? You already can. The old bot already does that. And right now I'm working on the new bot, which isn't connected to Twitch chat for now. Have a saved? I have saved. Okay. So cargo run bin client. So now I can do something like channel IM hardliner viewer Aisha codes, and we should see that she has 0 points because it's not connected to anything. Okay. Like I said, that's the new bot, so it's not the same as if you type points. Points will give you your current points in with the current bot. Now I should be able to do add points, for instance, and say 100. Now she has 100 points. Now she can do minus 100. Now it has 0 points. Thanks for the follow, Binary Nexus. Give Hardliner 1. Thanks for the point, Bear Cool Cow. So, also, I'm gonna do that in my browser. Otherwise, my terminal is gonna complain. Check out Aisha's stream. Do you do teaching? I think you said you do teaching streams as well. And she's learning Rust, so if you're interested in that, check her stream out. She also has an insanely good singing voice, so do lurk there and get a serenade going. She does, can confirm. Yeah, she's really good at singing. She's also... Have I seen you program? I think I haven't even seen you program. I should join when you're doing programming once, because the first time I joined your stream, no, the first time you did some programming, I think. The second time you did Minecraft, and the last time was the basically reflection stream. Boygi with the Prime sub, nice, thank you. How very kind of you. I've been talking about teaching code, but I do have plans to do more educational content. Yeah, I want to do that as well. So if you want to collaborate on stuff like that, feel free to hit me up. I'm thinking about 2 kinds of educational content. The one is one-on-one teaching, like get a total beginner from 0 to at least some knowledge. And the other thing I want to do, if that works well, is to do group stuff, like prepare some kind of teaching, some kind of programming exercise, get in 3 to 5 people, something like that, and work together on API design, general design, stuff like that you don't normally learn in programming classes, right? And do that together on stream with 5 people and see how it works. Sounds like it could be fun. I've experienced writing curriculum, teaching boot camps, but I've never done it totally remote. Yeah, I have no experience at all when it comes to teaching. So no professional experience, at least. I have... Wait, did I teach something? Yeah, a friend of mine needed Excel programming for school. And I taught Boygi. Yeah, I taught Boygi how to do a bit of coding. But I also have the feeling that I'm how do I say this? I think I know what it takes to be a programmer, and I think I know what the person needs to know to program, but I'm not sure about the order. So where should I start? Should I start at the high level? Should I start at the low level? And how to proceed from there. So That's my biggest problem. Start with raw pointers. Yeah, let's do an assembly course for complete beginners, because if they know how it's laid out in memory, everything else kind of should work, right? Okay, so now we have the common stuff. Wait. Assembly, that sounds too high. Yeah, let's just do I have my ugly hex editor? CS 101, build an OS from scratch and see while learning assembly. Seems reasonable. That's my hex editor, by the way. No, I'm kidding. That's my hex editor on Windows, because it can actually disassemble binaries as well, which is really cool. But the color scheme is not nice. Let's call it not nice. Can we somehow change that? Okay, so okay, let's not. Okay, so next thing I need to do is to get the actual bot running and connect it to the backend. Okay, that was the old backend stuff. Yeah, that can stay. So I should be able to do Rust hotbot. Yep, basically the whole thing. Get rid of Git, because it's already a Git repository, and toml. Let's get common in here. Of 28 points, nice. Are these points different from channel points? Yes. So there is a plan to make a conversion from channel points to those points, but that's not implemented right now. And also the points, you get points over time if you are chatting. If you're not chatting, you're gonna stop getting points after a certain amount of time. The idea for that is that if you make it time-based and activity-based, kind of like the channel point system is. So the channel point system is also time-based, because as long as you're in the chat, you get points, and if you click the button, you get a few more points. Returns to spamming chat. Yeah, maybe we'll do something smart about that in the future. How dare you force me to be social? Just gonna rename my bot to social bot now. Yeah, so the idea basically is that if you have a system like that, you can trade points to other channels, and you can even have conversion rates. So if one channel says, one channel owner wants you to have 1,000 points per minute, and another says you have 1 point per minute, you can kind of translate between those two, and say, okay, if the guy from this channel takes 1 point and gives it to the other channel, he suddenly has 1,000 points there, because there's a conversion rate, stuff like that. But that's also in the future. Social bot forcing us to be social. Yeah, so the name Hardbot is basically decided by, or was decided by the community. Also, hi, I'm Steve, by the way. That's not the first and not the last time I doxed my real name, which basically isn't doxing because I don't mind if people know my real name. So, hey. Okay. Now let's get the points going. Where do I actually assign points? Okay, so I need the client at the runtime. My original Twitch username was EpsilonX2, but here we are. Yeah, the thing is, okay, so if we go to my GitHub, okay, here's basically my full name. If you wonder, but that's the Americanized name. How do we know it's real? You could be trolling us. What do you mean the Americanized name? That is my real name. So even in German, I'm called Steve. The thing is, I don't mind that, right? I want to be active in the open source community, and I want people to associate a real person with what I do in the open source community, right? So that's the goal. That's the reason why that's my real name. I could just go with Hardliner66 on GitHub as well. Or Hardliner66 is my old gamer name, and I'm Hardliner is the new one, but whatever. Okay. So in the runtime, I need common. I need the data server client, which I still think is a horrible name. So pub data server client. Wait, that replaces data, right? So points should be gone now. Pressing, I thought the original would be Stefan or something similar. Yeah, the German name is actually Stefan. So Steve in German would be Stefan. The thing is, my mom wanted to have something unique, and that's why she named me Steve. Yeah, there were already so many recordings of me online that it didn't make sense to not bring my Twitch name in line with everything else. Yeah, I mean, I completely understand that if people don't want to do that. So if you want to be anonymous online, that's completely fine. There are more than enough reason to be anonymous at all times. But I do think that it's not the way forward for me. So I do understand what you're saying. Also, story my mom told me when she gave me my name. Like I said, she wanted me to have a unique name, and when I was little, I think a year old or something like that, she went grocery shopping and started talking with another woman who asked about my name, and she said, yeah, his name is Steve, because I wanted to have something unique. And the other woman said, oh, that's nice. My niece also has a kid named Steve. So far for uniqueness. Yeah. But I do like my name. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, it's already async. Whew. What are you complaining? Doesn't implement debug. But does it need to? Oh, it's serialization stuff. Just get rid of that. Why was the runtime serializable? Do not understand. Data server client, you. Also gonna make a default impl for that. For data server client. Which will return self. And client will be... Oh wait, that's actually not possible. Because async. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Data server operations. No, source bin client. Yank around quotes. I should actually make that a command line parameter, but for now I think hard coding is okay. Let's await. Config comments data. That actually isn't needed at all anymore. It's gonna move into the database everything that needs to be stored. So yeah, no, there is no load and no save. That's fine. Okay, load is gone now. Oh, that's an int impl. Oh. I think I was a bit too smart for what I actually wanted to do. But that's fine. To runtime. Also, that's gonna be async. And it will return a runtime. Let's close that now. So delete in braces. Run typing him once. Okay. It's great. Runtime. It's also not true, but whatever. Percent self. Is it a mute self? No, it's just self. Oh, it consumes the thing. Yeah, that actually makes sense. So I'm gonna run it in a second. Just wanna finish up what I'm doing here. Otherwise I'm gonna forget. So result box, then standard error. You happy now? Rate, runtime. I should just make a use statement for that. So that's the wrong thing. Oh, come on. Use create runtime. I will need runtime and data at least. Anything else? Okay, so it's also needed. Hey Bakla, I'm doing fine. How are you? Oh, so needed in both. Okay. You happy now? I thought save not found. Okay, let's do the typing game. I'm good drinking some tea now. Nice, tea is good. Runtime, config file. Result, Western string. 50 words, 1 mistake, 98 accuracy. I'm taking it. That's good enough for me. That is definitely good enough for me. So better than ToggleBit. I think ToggleBit is getting faster again, but I never really was that fast to begin with. So I think I'm already faster than I was before getting the new keyboard. You complaining about? Oh, it needs a string. Ouch, what did I just walk into? Yeah, we were basically just saying that you were way faster with the split keyboard, and you should absolutely switch back. Read chat through the tears. I'm sorry, ToggleBit. I am so sorry. Okay, so that's... Don't need that as well? Whatever. So we do have client add points. It's not client, right? It's also not chatter. Yeah, it's runtime. It's also not runtime. I'm happy Intrads pushed me to do it. Wait, do what? I'm writing up what I learned about instance rendering now. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, I want to do that as well. So currently I'm using Vim Wiki, which is kind of okay, but it fails to provide a nice and simple way to switch between work-related stuff and private stuff. So I want to find something to use instead. And I'm actually thinking about doing doing a NeoVim plugin. It's probably gonna be NeoVim only. Maybe I do Vim, I don't know. For hierarchical note taking. So something like either Cherry Tree or Leo Editor, which are both nice, but I want to have something which is integrated into NeoVim. I'm using VimWiki as well, but really it's all just Markdown and Netlify. Yeah, the thing is, I'm currently not using Markdown for VimWiki. I'm using the wiki syntax, which is also kind of cool. So, okay, runtime, data server client, add points, need Markdown for the website. Yeah, I need to figure something out. I also need a workflow I can follow. So, okay, that's gonna be I am hardliner for now. Then the viewer name is the cheddar dot. Oops. You're going to grab some lunch. Enjoy your lunch, yeah. It was lovely to see you. Enjoy the rest of your stream. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna end in a few minutes anyway, so I'm just gonna finish up what I started, and then I'm basically done. So your probably needs to be converted. Go. So runtime config points and points per tick. Also dollar. I already said it. Make sure to check out Aisha codes. And make her sing. Okay, so the viewer to string probably. Why does that not work? It's a U64. Wow. I32 now. It's an I42 now. Full Aisha codes now. Yeah, she also does Rust. Rust. I think she said Java, maybe. I'm not sure, but she's learning Rust, which is pretty cool. Right, I need to concentrate for a couple of hours. Pleasure being here, hardliner, stream more, mate. Yeah, I'm trying to. She does Rust with child codes. Yeah, child codes is also. You can also follow her. So let's do the next shout out. So many shout outs. And the dollar syntax for shout outs is actually inspired by Aisha's stream. So see you in the morning. Yeah, have a nice evening. And have fun concentrating for a few hours. You will see me though. I remember you're talking about on her stream. Let's have a quick shout out to Christina Applegate. Let's not. So this is a runtime. Wait. Don't I get the runtime? Is she streaming Rust? That would be something. Streaming Rust tomorrow, I believe. Oh, nice. Yeah, if I find the time, I will try to watch. But I have so many people to follow, to follow and to watch. What are you complaining? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Everything is gonna be async now. Pub. Does the async come first or the pub? I mean, it would be cool though if Christina Applegate did some Rust coding, kind of. So result, self, and return another box of another error. Then standard error, error. Okay, save data is gone. Anything else I need to fix? No. New, await, unwrap, because why not? You streamed Rust earlier today? Oh, nice. Yeah, my day today was basically working, having a job interview, streaming, and here we are now. Okay, let's get rid of the whole stealing thing for now. We can bring that back once everything else is done. So many things that use points. Oh. We need a top 5 function in the data server, actually, or something like that. So does the bot not pass the runtime? Okay, let's... Yeah, baby, 7 levels of meditation. Now we're coding. It could be worse, right? Could be JavaScript. No, I'm kidding. JavaScript is okay. It's not that bad. Okay, it is that bad. Just don't look at it. I should get a black bar and censor my own code. So you'll get You have that, it's called the status line. Huh? Sorry, I confused myself. What are we talking about? Maybe this should move to data. Ignore it, context is gone. Yeah, if the context is, we just dropped the context basically. Yeah, go away, serializable. We don't need you anymore. This is now context-free programming. That's true. So, okay, let's get rid of that. We can do that. Okay, so let's implement default for data. Oh crap. So let's see. Return slef self data server, and chatters is gonna be hash map new done. Oh, stupid async. So pub async function default. It's not called default, it's gonna call it new. And it's a result of self and I think I should just use anyhow error instead. Because I'm not handling anything anyway, but whatever. Then standard error. You happy now? No. Oh. Happy now? Okay, it's happy now. So that's new instead. That's new await question mark instead. Okay. So that means that now I should be able to use the client from within data. So data server client, get points. Pub const default streamer name, which is a string reference. Come on. Equal to a hardliner. Default streamer name to string. Okay, next is gonna be the name. And that will await question mark. Oh, do I need to make all of those async now? Does that even work? Can I do that? Okay. Rust pass async function as parameter. Oh. It's basically a future. Is that even possible? Where are my Rust pros? That's not me. Okay, so currently the bot is implemented in a way so that you basically pass a lambda and the lambda gets executed once the function is called. Right? Now I have a data server which is async, which means that the lambda needs to be async, and I have no idea how and if it's even possible. So you're lost like me, lol. Kind of. Don't think that is possible. Yeah, I don't think it's possible as well. I think you can mark lambdas as async. You can mark blocks as async. So that doesn't work. Async non-move. Basic move. Okay, maybe I misremember a bit. Okay, but the thing is, I need it here in the type. Not yet. Start tracking issue for feature async closure. Oh yeah. Shouldn't that make the type a future? Yeah, but what's with all the argument types then? Can I do future standard future. Oh no, wait, doesn't it mean I just need to return a future with output equals that thing? Yeah, then return an impl instead. How about that? Infiltrate not allowed as a function. Okay, then whatever. I'm just like, oh, you're doing async and having issues with it. Peace out, I'm out, bye. I made this. What can I develop as a beginner Rust project? This you made this use the library for any application. Just create and serve some basic concept for data structures. Okay. So you did some basic data structures in Rust, right? I think that's what it is. Is this the entirely too many linked list stuff? Might be wrong on that. Beginner Rust projects. Probably the same as with any other language. Just try some small projects. I know it's a bit annoying. But the whole do a small calculator, something like that, if you're starting out, which can always help. Can make games if you're into that. Yeah, you can check out GT Easy, for instance, and play around with that a bit. Ambiguous plus. Do we need more colons? Wait, do I maybe not need it in here? 1,000 beginner program projects. Ooh. What are you interested in? Make literally anything that can support that. Still finding my interest. Add parameters around what needed to be static. Oh, okay. I can do that. It stopped complaining. Let's do the same thing again. Okay. I mean, trade cards, particular game you play a lot, some other hobby, write a tool that does something to manage a hobby or whatever. Program doesn't have to be structured in CS tier. Yeah, so if you have something you already do and you want to automate that. That's a nice start. That's basically where I started. Or writing small tools for whatever I need. Another thing you can try is Advent of Code, which isn't exactly the most beginner-friendly stuff. So there are some quite tricky puzzles in there. But if you already know a bit of coding, at least those are some exercises you can try. And there are also a few other pages with exercises. I think there's Exorcism, which has Rust exercises. Yeah, Euler Project is pretty maths heavy though, I think, if I remember correctly. So Exorcism, Explore. Where is the crab? Holy. The eyes of the Go mascot are following the cursor. And it's so creepy in dark mode. But these things tend more towards solving logic and math problems. The coding isn't really necessary. Yeah. Okay, let's get to Rust. So, join the Rust track. It wants me to sign in. Okay. I don't care anymore. But I played around with Exorcism. Okay, so... I think that's gonna be a major refactoring, which I'll probably not gonna fix today. Hey Artlas, thanks for the raid. Hey Stupak, how are you doing? I'm already wrapping up because my errors got too big, right? I mean, my error is this big. No. Yeah, so today we basically abstracted size doesn't matter. If it's about errors, size does matter though. No, thing is, can we unwrap? We always can unwrap. Thing is, okay, let me just show what we did. So / target. That's the wrong directory. Data server. Let's take used to pack 62. So you currently have 0 points. That's for my new bot we're working on. And now I could just add points, whatever. Okay, not exactly whatever. Shouldn't maybe make that bigger. Perpetually at 0. Okay, let's take them away again. So I basically prettied that up and moved all the client stuff in a library so that it can be used from the command line and from my bot. And now I try to integrate the thing in my bot. 0 is a good point to start at. Yeah. Now I try to integrate everything into my bot, which also means making things async. And let's say it wasn't easy. Rent prelude. Data Yeah, so now I'm at the point where I had a pretty cool system for adding actual bot functions, which I probably need to rewrite in another way. For that to work, because async and closures don't work together that well. I'm trying to teach my kids to start counting at 0. That's cool, messing things up. I mean, if your kids go to tech, if they start programming one day, they will love you for it. But if not, why isn't it async? Oh wait. Wait. They will all learn Lua then. Then they'll be disowned. Okay, I should be able to do an async block, right? Cannot be known at compile time. That's true. Can I? Oh boy. Can I just box it? Oops. Pressing all the wrong things today. Yeah, the thing with the 0 and 1 is basically, I don't mind starting to count at 1. But if I remember correctly, that's all because of how arrays worked in C, right? Because in C it's just syntactic sugar for pointer arithmetic. So if you do something something bracket 5, it just adds the size of the thing times 5 to the pointer and gets that. That's why it starts by with 0. So if you do a pointer plus 0, it's obviously the first element. But I do get the meme though. So meme points are always... Okay, I think I really gonna need to rewrite everything. So, oh, it's just okay. Okay, so let's just see who's streaming. And we'll pass the raid on needs love. Who needs some love? So let's see. Do we have something rusty? Rewriting game frontend using you. Let write equal to re. Yeah, basically.
I need to import ring and pim.
Okay, so that's basically the only Rust streamer, so he will be raided. He's a good egg? Nice. Yeah, I don't know him, so gonna leave him a follow once the raid is done. switch over so I can join right after the raid. Tap the time. He yelled at me for 2 minutes. He yelled at you for 2 minutes. What did you do? Did you do or did you do something? What happened? I asked the question, chat, and linked to what he was looking at. Oh, so it's a basic misunderstanding, right? Or it seems like a misunderstanding. And I never went back. I mean, I kind of understand that. Right. Also, we raided a streamer once who basically told chat to not talk about topics that he doesn't work on. So we joined, and I don't even know what he was doing, but the viewer basically asked something. I think it was something about Rust and whatever topic, and he basically said, well, it's nice that you talk about it, but could you keep it on topic, please? Which is, I do get what, I do kind of get why, but it's strange on Twitch to say to basically tell people to keep on topic. Yeah, man, we all have misunderstanding, but things are your taste on people. I'm sure plenty is on me for things like that too. Yeah, like I said, I do understand it. We'll still raid him though. I hope that's not a problem. I mean, you can leave the raid if you like. Yeah. So I personally, how do I say this? I was just being spiteful and yeah, that's fine. I'm all good. Yeah, so most of the time, if something happens also in my friend group and one person doesn't like another person anymore, if it's not something crazy, like, I don't know, she was super racist or something like that, or if I only hear one side of it, yeah, you know what I mean. Get Snippy dealing in migrant mode. Yeah, that's fine. She ate kittens on stream. Yeah, what's wrong with that? As long as they're fried properly. No. don't fry the kittens. I know I've snapped back a bit of people. Yeah, that's fine. I think everybody sometimes does that. Okay. I'm gonna start the raid. Raid is going on. Raid is starting. Oh, this guy's on. He wrote sick. Wait. The sick guy is on? Do we raid the sick guy? Wait. Ooh. Okay, you know what? Let's raid the sick guy. Just because I'm currently more interested in watching a bit of sick. So for those of you who want to stick with Rust, that's the guy we would have raided. If you want to still watch him. Oh, Melky is also here. And Beanbot is here as well. What's going on? Whole squad join. Okay, so yeah, if you still want to watch him, that's fine. We'll raid the sick guy. It's not any sick guy, it's the sick guy. So you don't need to feel bad. It's fine. We're gonna rate Ramu the next time. It's all fine. So thank you all for watching. It was a really great stream. We did get a lot done, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get to integrate all the stuff. Right? Yeah, you didn't cause the switch. Togglebit caused the switch with telling me that the sick guy is on. So, like I said, it's fine, and y'all have a nice evening, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Okay? Then bye.